Hello friends, today we are going to learn blending two letter and making the letter family of that two letter words. Let's start with ch. How should we say that word ch? How should you pronounce that ch? Keep your tongue above, round your lips and then press the air out with the help of the tongue. Ch. Ch. Try. You can try. Keep your tongue above, round your lips, press the air out. Push the air out. Ch. Ch. Shall we see some ch family words? Ch. E. M. P. Chimp. I'll repeat. Ch. E. M. P. Chimp. The next word, ch, e, n, chin, ch, e, n, chin, ch, e, p, s, chips, ch, e, p, s, chips, ch, e, r, chair. A, E, R, chair. You got it? Practice, you will get it. How should you say ch? Keep your tongue above, round your lips, push the air out. Ch, ch. Is it easy for you? Can you say some of the ch words? Apart from this, try it as an exercise. We'll meet tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you.